A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu akbar la wala quwwata illa billahi aliyil azim. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So today I will teach you how to do a neural network calculation, which is updating weightage by using a learning rate. Okay, so this is just a simple explanation. Okay, as we know, neural network consists of three different layers. Three basic layers. First is input, second is a hidden layer, which is doing the calculation, and the last one is output. Okay, so by given this question, so below is data set for the winning prediction for the Melaka United FC. Okay, and then they plan to use a simple perceptron model. Okay, so this is architecture. Okay, so here we need to calculate or generate the training process. Okay, so it involve updating the new weightage and new bias. Okay, so basically there are 3 seasons. Okay, so we go to the previous slide. Okay, so let me brief you what is data set here. So this is data set for the prediction, which is done by the human. So here we can see we need a cup and lost the cup. So 0 indicate lost the cup, 1 indicate win the cup. Okay, so this is the prediction done by the human, not the computer. So here we will we need to do the prediction based on the neural network calculation. Okay, so this is a calculation according to the season. So we start with the first season, 2021. So firstly, we obtain the input and initial weight. Okay, and bias is 0.1, and then we do the calculation. And here we using the step activation function, the linear function. So let's say it's not linear, it's a threshold. So let's say if the outcome is greater than 0.1, so the actual output is 1. Okay, and then here we update the weightage and bias. Okay, so this is the new bias and weightage, and then we bring this value to the next season, which is 21 and 22. Okay, so here we will generate the outcome. Okay, so the outcome here, as we can see, is lower than 0.1. So that's mean the output is 0. Okay, and then here we generate the new value of bias, new value for weightage 1, new value for weightage 2. Okay, we put 0 here, 0, 0. Okay, and then for the last season, okay, so the last season we bring this value from the previous season, and then we calculate the outcomes here, and then we put inside activation function, and then here it's clearly show it lower than 0.1, so the output is 0. So here we generate the new bias and the new weightage. Okay, so that's all for my teaching session today. Thank you very much.